wendo ndehe rajete kanona ningiinira uguo no njage gucoka
Because
batiracoka moko matheri. Can you have something there?
Correct.
For money.
100, correct.
But for me, we will not eat rainbow.
Say it again for the people at the back.
Moring in the building. Horo waku.
Timoru.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, Nancy. You're
Thutha wa
looking
kahinda
amazing.
Thank you. Thank.
Thank. No kugeria.
No kugeria man. You know these things.
Ngai mwega.
Ngai mwega. You know, no kwenyihia tu habo kidogo.
Habo kidogo, small.
Gakena gukuona.
Gakena gukuona nani?
Na jugaga I'm happy gukorwo na one of the most talented female vocalists. First of all, thĩinĩ wa land itu ya Gikuyu na Kenya handu ya ruma, and I can't even wait uthie global. No tondu mundu no uhotaga gwĩtambũrũkia wega. Utwire ugeithie macambĩki magwetereire muno he mundu anjira she's usually lit akoragwo fire.
Okay, mwega, you know.
Yeah, what should you say?
Can I?
Camera number 2.
Okay.
Umageithie.
Okay.
Wĩtambũrũkie ũrĩa wĩkana nĩ hũraga gita. We niguo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere.
Okay.
Yes.
Hamarĩtwa ta ũrĩa mũigua ndĩkĩrĩtu kega gathaka gatarĩ maũndũ maingĩ getagwo Mũringi wa Matheri, mũini mwandĩki wa nyĩmbo na rĩmwe nĩ thakaga gita once in a while.
Yes. Tomuthi,
you know.
Right.
Na ndĩmũhoroku na Jesũ nĩ
ndiathiĩte mũhoroku, but it's fine. It's fine. Kuma county ya
Othaya,
Nyeri County. Wow, very nice. Na nĩnjũĩ atĩrori constituency ĩrĩkũ?
Constituency nĩcio ciĩtagwo location.
Asa, ici nĩ kũrĩa ambunge mara represent. We, kũrĩa maraiga yes. Yanjũĩ mbunge waku nĩ ũrĩkũ?
Maiko wa Mbogo. Wa Mbogo wa Wainaina. Yes.
Right. Karibu sana.
Na
Roiga nĩ wandĩkaga, nĩ wĩinaga, nĩ ũhũraga gita, and thabarĩ ĩno yanjĩtie ha?
Ya wĩini? Ndambĩrĩirie kũina 2020, time ya COVID. And then hau niho rĩu ndambĩrĩirie. No mbere ĩyo nĩ ndainaga ndĩ secondary, nĩ ndathiaga gwĩkĩra andũ backup. Cia tracks. Twarĩhagwo 150 per track. Guys.
Kũinĩra andũ. Ni nyimbo iri kwikite backing imwe tuoneka ni mekukuongera
kendore kamera-inĩ ndimere guys ni ndiroka kugira publishing rights
ni nyimbo iri kwikite backup ndio eri moro ahitire
tamakasha no you know
kira go 150
still
okay no umundu othimaga handu umundu wega handu
ngenyitana na mwanake wetagwo Wachira wa Rukira niwe Warux Production na niwe tukoretwo tukirutania nake wira and other than that ni twikite projects ingĩ nyingĩ twina festival etagwo Kikuyu Love Sessions kwena ĩngĩ etagwo Muse Reveal na maũndũ mangĩ maingĩ
yeni hĩndĩ ya COVID rarikana rwĩmbo rũrĩa rwatrendire mũno rwa kũrĩa nyawĩrĩ ya gambia
hati kĩihũ gĩkarĩa ngũkũ inyote rĩa ndĩnayo ya wendo no come on I've not learned it yet
how do I take a service no rĩu nĩruo no ambina kwĩka covers tigeo hena nĩ cover ĩkĩ ngĩekire ĩgĩthiĩ mũno tondũ nĩrikana ngĩona I was like aka nĩ kairĩtu karĩkũ yarĩ cover ĩyo
Tĩrĩrũĩ na tĩrĩ mũnda ndaikarĩire mũgamba wa ikũmbĩ njetereire mũkwana banga na magathanie mamingo kĩanda njetereire mũkwana banga na magathanie mamingo kĩanda
wakinya
mũcatha caitaoni ndogatige waigua tũnyina twa mũcatha na mane two tũthambagia kĩrathi waigua tũnyina twa mũcatha na mane two tũthambagia kĩrathi
we nikio njugire literally woka go to serenade nona ithe sikarete haha ugo
I try
tuinirwa na ni njui rĩo ndakuire nduĩka ni practice ite kavisho cia nyimbo iria cia hau kabere cia hymns
hymns manage I was supposed to come with someone to play for me the guitar
the manage
but no manya nike my biggest instrument ni voice
okay
So I can do capellas.
Herugi.
Okegi.
Tuhuterie okegi.
Okegi ruthiaga.
Ndingekinya haria ukinyaga. Wega wa Jesu ndingekinya.
Otheri wa karĩma-inĩ ũiyũrĩ thĩ yothe mĩrũri ĩmũrĩkĩte kũrĩa kũruru wega ũkeki mwega wa Jesu ũmũrĩkĩte ngoro Jesu atire agĩthithi mothe no makĩhano gĩgathira.
Wow. This is very comfortable. Like,
I can play my original music.
Yes,
I just don't do.
Hello, don't piano.
Oja di more.
No collabos.
Yeah.
Hena Wajine, na hena collabo na.
Kwena Wajine. I've done a collabo na kadetago Mr. Karikimani.
Airosh.
Kwena Rogero Momo the jikete na kada ya Tanzania utago Frederick Mura.
Tanzania.
Tunaenda pale baharini.
Na sasa munaimba kwa lugha gani kwa huo wimbo?
Kidogo mimi niliimba na ile lugha wamezoea.
Uliimba na Kiswahili.
Niliimba na Kiswahili.
Okay. All right.
But yeah.
Okay,
So,
tuinire wapi?
I do original music. Unaita go jaba. Yes.
Oh yeah, okay.
Mana quiero evitar cada aine can warm Jamanagi nawe keroko tene nadire dona ohunyo kete werekeire wera oanyo kete nadire wore tirwa jege kinyana hinya Kinyana Oshapa Kinyana Hiya Kinyana Oshapa We Japa Ekeo Moduri We Oceane odiraga modo akarera takana makio ineyoru ruane rodiraga dayoga shoka gide doragorire Subaru na besha shamjengo Oh, night at all money, we made a magaweta. Gaduri, Natane Oreta Gojege. Looking at Kinyana ushaba Dukinyana iya Kinyana ushaba We jaba ekeo Moduri
Muthuri akinyera wala magaga nituriganwo ni boy child ri
yes
ajasahaulika
correct
wow
yes
process yaku ya kwandika through jamba eno ru wamionaga ku ni jamba ru ndio kana iho
Dereho
yeah
actually Giade Karo Bororo donated a documentary on BBC makiaririria how men in Nyandarua have committed suicide. So very many men have taken their lives. Gishoka giona very few times. Now, please don't get me wrong. We need to empower our women, but at the same time, to empower more to mioyo adhi koreo.
Very nice.
You know, so in as much as nitura empower motumia ni harifata to empower the boy child not only ko atiaga kumuhe opportunities ginya komo inagira nyimbo shirato mto hindi ciothe wi njege wi anga njege ni anga ndui you know
nijeni atigiria masiro rara
correct na ne mani na ni njege ni
ni usindeto ni njege ni yo
wega but at the same time to empower motumia ri arathie kuhikio ni mundu utari empowered so the imbalance the cycle continues we don't solve anything
gutikiro tuhonetie
ukiuga
werutire
ndirutire
wandikire njamba eno
nyandikire njamba eno tondu ndina njamba yakwa nyumba ina miaka 7 riu
wina mwana kamwana wow yes okay riu ndaigua kiuga ginya ne agwire Subaru na mbeca cia mjengo kahora yes
hatakiri ihenya ni undu wa circumstances
ndio rwa maki video kana practice tenu wekete kama ya
Suzy Koki no I've not learned that one yet
na voice
okay
yeah
Dakwirire ti thero denario Suzy Koki Sweet Suzy wana joketeria kere Dukone tariori modena huo Sweet Suzy Koki wana joketeria kere Suzy Koki kele tukamukamba Suzy Koki tutwane nengondesa Suzy toine Koki kele tukamukamba Suzy Koki tutwane nengondesa
No,
but aren't you not signed to the bathroom studios?
No. By the way, I want to enter the real one.
Everybody is.
Kinya kou.
Low octave.
Yes. Neria wa perform. Tonduga Kikuyu Love Sessions. Nimukoretwo ngwe perform muno. Nire boro riko woinaga rukamukirwo na. Nejwe ni winaga na ukagia rino ni ruri kurwa mukagirwo na with so much love kana ni rwaku kana ni kava wekete ni ruri ko rugwa ro appreciate.
I think bere daya
yeah
yo ado akikuila sessions diehards wa akikuila sessions akili na wapenda
ni wa true ni wa true
this is for yo like I remember the last event we had by like around 12 totally sold out
Elysian
Elysian Resort like at 12 totally sold out na ate ni ore atwekaga like major marketing ni ati ado itumoya
na audience yo
na love iko but I think nenye boshio the meda cause I think audience yo ni hungry
but I know reggae
really
ni utagia kare you have a design in the side ya reggae how break it it was a kama kana
no
selector
rewind and come back
selector twende kabisa
no Donyete unechoe money yeah no Donyete unechoe yeah todo igiorio baby da tulia dumana
no tuke personal singer wa mudu
I mean agete besha jega nona ni datigana na wira wa uthiaga aja cause why who suffering
yes twina Michelle Wanjiku ena birthday muthi araiga ati ndangenda kumuatainirwo na mugambo ucio
Michelle
Wanjiku haya in your own way aigwe ni ainirwo happy birthday by the one and only Murigo
correct Michelle this one is for you Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michelle Wanjiku. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, happy birthday Michelle. Leo gakure guto sound ni. Na nijue wina rwimbo rwa umwe muthi.
Yes.
Rwitagwo atia?
Rwitagwo natembea.
Ndio kane kwa muro ngiona YouTube. Abo tuikani YouTube yako.
Yes, I think egokoro launch wa YouTube ya adumetagwo Umoja Sounds.
Umoja Sounds. Okay, I know them.
Yes, Umoja Sounds and then you can find it on every streaming platform. Kwa Bereria, Boomplay, iTunes, Spotify. You can find the music there.
Na platform hiyo itaga Muringi Matheri.
No, Murige
peke yake. Haya, nijue we part ya movie premiere.
Yes.
Ika happen on Sunday.
Yes, na Roshio.
Na
Roshio. Kuna red carpet event Roshio, Harias Nairobi Cinema along Aga Khan Walk. Movie itago wa Maitha. And thaici kuna andu maroka kwina revolution na direge but revolution ino yajiriirio tene and in the face of the ongoing crisis andu ni moke mone like the revolution yajiriirie na aciari aitu we are just taking on the baton ni gutwarithia na mbere koguo moke mone wa Maitha a ticket goes for 1000 Kenya shillings na tugakorwo haria Nairobi Cinema along Aga Khan Walk.
Yes. Ni undu wa performing, ni undu wa maundu mangi matiganite, mundu angienda gukona gati hawe ni uri namba kana mundu agukinyagira atia.
Okay, so no ginyire via my socials. You can shoot me a DM on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok. But if do genyo na how, you can reach me through 0716 688 701.
Okay, rigi.
0716 688 701.
Okay. No na mundu enda kugeithia nigetha tumalizie.
Shosho ito.
Ku Nyeri. Etagwo atia?
Etagwo Muringi Otani. Joyce Muringi wa Wambugu. Hi na Mathe.
Okay.
And my son Na nani mwingine? Na Bogo wa Mwaura. Hi.
Agithike. Bogo ni agithio kahora. Na sawa. Thank you muno ni guka. I know we'll have kahinda tuinire wega. Love session ni ngire ciari icio bado
Kikuyu Love Sessions, the next one is on September.
Yes.
September 7th. If I'm not wrong.
Yes. Tukiroraga.
Correct. Na yani no ulweigua wega yani wega yani nita ukiria kigwa kia hari ugo gitina-ini ugo nigo wega ya mwete hari
ngi perform kundu kungi utiganite ugo magufollow nigetha mamenye mwago mundu inagirwa
na nima
yes kuria nyinyonaga ku Instagram kana TikTok yes alright thank you muno cio mundu gwitwo muringi mundu gwitwo Chamu ni gutwira kana ni gutugira rumbiro nguru no tumana mundu gwitwo DJ Salim na akenda kire guku ni akoro atuhinge na rwimbo rumwe rwa mundu gwitwo muringi nigetha tukorwo tugikirikiria ruria endete ndiu ni rikwa gicagurire Chamu gucire thitha wa queue ya kuhinga aikorwo ndirahitia yes abe tuthakire rwimbo rumwe rwa mundu ugwitwo Muringi.
By the way, before tuhingite ri no nyende kuria Muringi wanageria gwika covers na aini ta riu guku ni turi muini witagwo riri Wanjiku James.
Yes
and she have you ever tried that?
Well, I'm open for collabs. Yes, I'm open for collabs.
Okay,
because we've done a cover na Wajine. Nitwikite cover na Wajine. Yes.
Na Irish.
Na Irish.
Have you ever tried Kwame?
Yes. I mean, Comedy Boys na for the longest time goretwo ngirora wira wakwa megakoro very inspired. But I guess no uria totally twagia na ihinda kana the time has just not been right.
Okay. Wow. All right.
Nice.
Very nice. How guchere ho tuko tugikirikiria nduka turikirie na at this point tu tuhingire na kiria na your best song tukirikiria niguo tukorwo tukirikia ni ngatho ucio ni mundu gwitwo Muringi na mundu gwitwo DJ Salim tuma nao ni mwirore tugakiroka na muthenya wa mwambiririo wa Monday hathini wa Kameme TV. Be safe na ndikonde wikanigo na mundu gwitwo Maina Kimo na team tututhegiria gukorwo tukimemerekia koguo nginya tukona na muthenya wa mwambiririo korwo na weekend njega.
Murata wakwa ri wari uri thikiriria kuyoro tondu ri kinoko ekiugo ngoro yaku wihorere muthenya njukagira rucini nguku ya mbere ngambiriria kuona mihango ya gwetha mbia nĩ atĩa nĩngĩka mĩhango enyume njũkagĩra ngũkũ ya mbere na thĩna ndũngĩnyuma.
Kameme TV, mũthĩgi wa rũrĩrĩ. Shitiganete ta cia ng'aragu.
Sai kwangu ng'ombe karibu 30 imekufa.
Ona athira mugunda ndaigua ta ingirira maithori.
Mbura ya El Nino